So on today's episode on what Afi is going to do with her face, we'll start off with making sure that our lens is on focus. Is our lens on focus? Is the lens on focus? Okay, it's on focus. Welcome back to my channel, Afi Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. Soyez les bienvenus dans ma chaîne. On va faire un maquillage de Valentine. Today we're going to do a Valentine face look, cuteness, babe. What you got me for Valentine Day type of look. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to first start off with the makeup wipe, and I'm just going to wipe off all that excess that I had on my face before we apply our primer. Je vais enlever d'abord toutes les saletés dans ma figure avant que on utilise les bases. J'espère que c'est les bases en français. So yeah, so lately I've been trying out primers because I think it's time for me to start using primers. Yeah, primers now, because Milk of Magnesia is great if I want to do like a everyday long wear makeup. But because I don't wear my makeup for long, I think we need to start going with primers. So we used e.l.f. Cosmetic as a primer. J'ai utilisé e.l.f. Cosmetic primer. Oh mama. So now we're going to use what is it called? Super Stay by Maybelline as a foundation. So for mon fond de teint, j'ai utilisé Super Stay fond de teint Maybelline. I like this foundation. It's very full coverage. It just depends. I feel like if you apply a lot of it, you're going to experience that full coverage effect. It all depends on you. It all depends on you and what's your preference or what you like. For me, when it comes to like going places such as like weddings and events, I want that full coverage look. So I go for things that are full coverage. Sometimes it doesn't appeal full coverage, so you have to apply a lot for you to have that full coverage effect, which is why I applied that concealer, because it wasn't really doing the best, compared to my high ends. Because these are drugstore products, you won't really get that high-end quality that you are looking for, but it does the job. Je dis que pour les fonds de teint ici, ça cache les taches, mais ça cache pas vraiment les taches comme Fenty Beauty ou MAC, ça va cacher. Parce que c'est un peu, is that cheap? Je sais qu'on fait dire ça en français, cheap. C'est moins cher. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using Milani concealer. And we're going to apply it everywhere. Because I'm doing a full face, like a nice glam, my concealer will look a little bit too overboard. But sis, this is what Valentine is for. You want to look your best. It's not that you don't look your best every day, but there are days where you want to actually, put in your best effort when it comes to your looks. So we're going to use this and we're just going to make it look good. Je dis que mon concealer, je vais utiliser Milani concealer. Je vais mettre ça partout, mon nez partout. Si je veux que mon maquillage, ça se voit vraiment bien, souvent je fais ça. Oui. So for my setting spray, I'm going to use the New York NYX Cosmetic, just to give it that dewy look. Because my face is dry, I wanted that dewy effect to my face. And I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to blend it in with the concealer just to give it that nice dewy feeling, nice dewy look. So for my contour, we're going to be using e.l.f. Cosmetic. This contour is really nice. It's actually a concealer, but I use it for my contour, and it does a nice job. One thing I am going to say is this contour, this color is not my actual color when it comes to contour. So a little of it is just enough. If you apply like an actual contour color, you're going to look a little bit overboard. Like, I bought the wrong color, and I feel like that's the closest to my color when it comes to contour. So we had to figure out the way to use it, and using a little bit of it made it a lot better. So for my setting powder, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. not elf, my Airspun setting powder, translucent powder. We're going to use just a little bit of it, and we're just going to let it sit for a while and then contour. And then we're going to blend our contour. Je dis que cet elf contour ici, j'ai compris que c'est pas vraiment mon couleur, mais ça va aider si tu utilises seulement un peu de ça. Ça va pas sortir et aux armes bêtes si tu utilises un peu de ça. So one thing I did when it comes to my contour, I tried something that I normally don't do, and I apply my contour to my chin. That's where you guys saw that contour, and I regret doing that because it looked so bad, but the look came out okay. But yeah, with my nose, I let that contour concealer sit for a while, so it was kind of hard to blend. C'était un peu difficile pour que je mélange parce que j'avais laissé ça durer un peu. So I had to like use all my force and all my might just to get that to blend. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, wipe away all that baking look. One thing I am going to say about the Airspun translucent powder, it comes off a little bit cakey. So for me, a way for me to get rid of that cakiness is I have to use a setting spray. And the only setting spray that works for this is the Makeup Revolution setting spray. No other setting spray can do what this setting spray does when it comes to removing the excess powder. Je dis que pour moi, quand j'utilise des poudres là, pour mon crème de conceal ou bien pour mes, couleurs et tout, il faut que je nettoie toutes les poudres là avec un setting spray. Ça va m'aider pour que s'enlève toutes les poudres pour que ça ne voit pas un peu beaucoup. So for my contour, I'm going to go ahead with my Black Radiance, and I'm going to set that concealer contour cream that I used. This is a reason why I use a light contour concealer, because when I do go ahead and I set it with actual contour powder, it removes that harsh line that I have right now. I mean, for me, it looks harsh, but I don't know. It might look good to you guys, but for me, it looked harsh. But anyway, onto the eyes. I'm going to be using the Makeup Shayla collaboration with Maybelline. C'est fer à paupières couleur. C'était vraiment bien. This is very affordable. You can find it at Walmart, anywhere that involves drugstore product. Maybelline is everywhere, so you definitely will find this anywhere you go when it comes to drugstore. Affordable look. One thing I am going to say about this palette is they teach you in the back of the palette on how to apply certain colors and how to use the palette. Je dis que cette palette ici, ça vous montre comment que tu peux utiliser ça. Si tu tournes ça, ça va te dire tout ce que tu as besoin de faire avec cette palette. Pardon. Et puis aussi, si c'est ton première fois d'utiliser le maquillage, ça va vraiment te aider. If it's your first time using makeup, it's really going to help you. Parce que ça vous montre comment que tu peux utiliser et puis appliquer les couleurs en haut. So, I have people in the house, so excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to blend all that with another blending brush. But this next blending brush that I'm going to show you guys is this blending brush right here. Basically everything that I did, I applied at the bottom. That's basically what it was. Tout ce que j'ai fait aussi en bas de mes yeux. Parce que ça va se voir vraiment bien si tu fais ça comme ça. Okay? Okay. So what I was saying about the blending, I'm going to use another brush. This brush has nothing on it. And I'm just going to blend everything that I applied on that lid as a transition color. I'm going to blend it. Blend it. Because that's what will make the look really well. Is if you blend it correctly and blend it well. So next we're going to use this purple color, shimmery color. We're just going to apply it with the hands. I feel like it goes well with my fingers compared to the actual brush. Je dis que pour que ton maquillage ça se voit vraiment bien, il faut vraiment, vraiment mélanger vraiment bien. Comment on dit ça? J'espère que j'ai dit ça bien. Mélanger. Maintenant, pour mon couleur, je vais utiliser cette couleur ici. Je vais utiliser mes mains parce que ça va vraiment faire sortir la couleur très bien avec ma main. And I'm just going to apply that with my fingers and make sure that I do it light. I wanted it to look very light and not so heavy because I was also doing like a nice smoky eye to it. So for my smoky eye, I'm going to use that black color right there. And we're going to start from the outer corner of the eyes. J'ai dit que je vais utiliser ce noir ici. On va utiliser ça en dehors de mes paupières. J'espère que je dis ça bien. En dehors de mes paupières. On va faire ça comme un lettre C. We're going to do it like a letter C. And we're just going to put that black on the eyes, on the outer corner of the eyeshadow, eyelids. So on to the same thing I do at the top, I do at the bottom. So everything that I'm doing right now, I'm doing at the bottom. So it's like nothing new. But to make it quicker, what I did was I mixed the black and the purple together and I started to apply it underneath the eyes. Just to have that blending effect to look a lot better. Je dis que j'ai mélangé les violents avec aussi le noir. Et j'ai appliqué ça en bas de mes yeux pour que ça c'est un peu facile pour mélanger. So onto the eyeliner, I'm going to be using e.l.f. Cosmetic, and I want to use this eyeliner. It's not my favorite, but it does the job. And also with my eyeliner, this is actually not my first time, but I am practicing on the wings eyeliner skills. Okay, I'm not there yet, but I'm getting good at it. Y'all should have seen when I first started these wings. It wasn't cute. Sis was looking a hot mess, but practice makes perfect. I've been doing a really good job practicing and looking cute with it. So we doing the wings really well. It looks really like cut. You feel me? It look cut. Je dis que j'ai tenté de pratiquer comment que je fais ça. Avant que j'ai tenté de faire ça, c'était pas bien. Ça qui m'a bé. Maintenant regarde. Regarde-moi. It's Valentine Day, sis. You want to go out looking your best. You need to be looking your best every day, but I feel like people like to put Valentine Day as a pedestal of looking good. So for my eyelashes, I'm going to be using this $1.99 lashes that I got from the beauty store. And that $1.99 eyelashes did a job than a $24 Meek lashes. This was like by far the best eyelashes I received at the beauty supply store. Well, I bought at the beauty supply store. It came really well. I like it. It's a really nice lash for $1.99. Just look at it. It looks cute. Okay? It looks very cute. Je dis que pour mes cils, je vais utiliser cette fausse cils ici, c'est que j'ai acheté au magasin de beauté. Oui, j'ai acheté mes mèches. C'était seulement $2. C'est vraiment bien pour un $2. Hein? Si je compare ça avec ce qui n'a mis Taleli avec l'argent que je dépense pour $24 cils. Ça ici, il faut sombre, maman. C'est vraiment bien. It looks cute. I'm looking cute. So yeah, so for the lips, avec mes lèvres, je vais d'abord nettoyer. I'm going to remove that foundation that I had on my lips. I don't like applying colored lipstick or lip gloss with foundation on. Some people do it, but it's not my cup of tea. Je vais prendre mon crayon là. Je vais tracer mon lèvre. I'm going to take that color right there and I'm going to just, the pencil, I'm going to trace my outer lip. I don't know what you call that. My lip liner. So yeah. And I'm going to use the Ruby Kiss lipstick, which is actually pretty cute. It's been a while since I used it. It looks cute. And I'm going to mix it with my NYX New York Cosmetic lip gloss. Je vais mélanger ça avec mon lip gloss, the New York Cosmetic. And we're gonna look cute. So onto the cheek, the blush. I'm gonna be using e.l.f. as my blush. I love this blush because it's really cute. So with my blush technique, I like to start at the ends of my ear and work my way down. So basically, I apply my blush at the top instead of on my actual cheek because it makes it look a lot better. When I start at my cheek, I look like a clown. So for me, it looks cute when I start at the high ends of my actual cheek. Yeah, j'ai dit que j'aime commencer où mes oreilles sont quand je mets mes blushs parce que ça se voit un peu bien. So I'm going to use my Milani and put the highlighter to effect. Okay? Milani for my highlight. And we're going to set my face with 2 different setting spray. The Dewy by New York NYX and then also Makeup Revolution. On va utiliser New York NYX avec aussi Makeup Revolution. So this wig was sent to me by Main Gang Official. They sent me their Emilia hair. It came already as a wig and it's really good wig actually. It's human hair. I did a review on it, so I'll leave the link down below. What I did for curls, I basically like to curl my hair the opposite to each other. So that's what I did. And the look came out really cute. I hope you guys like this video. J'espère que vous avez aimé cette vidéo. Je dis que pour mon curl, je fais ça opposite de la première curly. Et ça sort vraiment bien. Quand je fais ça, ça sort vraiment bien. So this is how it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a beautiful Valentine Day. If you don't have a Valentine Day, God loves you. I love you. And love yourself first because nobody else will if you don't love yourself first. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next. Mwah.